Traditional Igbo labor cooperatives are rooted in the philosophy of Ibu anyị danda, together we are stronger, and onye agha na nwanne ya, be your brother's keeper. Beyond the widely known Igba boy apprenticeship, the Igbo people also developed community labor systems built on kinship, age grade, friendship, and trust to achieve agricultural and economic goals. There are many types of traditional labor cooperatives in Igbo land, but today I will talk about three important ones. 1. Igbo Nworu. Igbo Nworu, also called Igbo Ofuoru or Igbo Ohuoru, depending on dialect. This is a traditional cooperative labor system where friends, neighbors, age grades, and community members work together on each other's farms. No money is paid. Instead, members take turn helping one another complete farm works in a single day, especially during planting and harvesting seasons. 2. Igbosa ahịa, market errand running. This is a traditional business training system. An experienced trader allows a younger person to be bringing customers to the shop and assist in selling goods. Through this process, the younger person learns the trade, earns small profits, and gradually builds capital. 3. Isusu, traditional thrift and credit cooperative. Isusu is a traditional rotating savings system where members contribute a fixed amount of money daily, weekly, or monthly. The total money contributed is given to one person at a time on rotating basis to support their business or farming activities. Although some of these practices are no longer as strong in some parts of Igbo land, they are beautiful cultural systems that promoted unity, trust, and economic growth. They are traditions that can still be revived and modernized today.